Full send. Oh, your boy does it. Alright, let's go. Like, not in a legal sense, obviously. But damn. Ooh. This is so shiny. I think I'm gonna be smart about this. No, I'm not. What the hell? This is the biggest explosive I have. That does nothing. I have no idea how to get through this. Wait. Laser, reflector, and deflector. There's got to be a reason they're there, right? Where's the laser? I feel like this laser cutter would happen to be the thing that can cut through those giant steel doors. What is this? Dead. That is dead. Play safe here. Just in case it's something silly. I wonder if that hurts. I have this distinct feeling. Ooh. Does it just like cut through the... No? Shouldn't cut through anything. That's nuts. I need me one of these. Luckily. Oh my god. Alright. So, this robot's following me as flamethrowers. Now, this could look like a problem to the average person, and it could be considered as such. What I probably should have taken the second to do was work out what to do after this bit. See if we can't coax him to jump down a little cliff. What if I just like... Kind of was hoping he'd like fall over. Sure will. Ah! Come on. Come on, you can just walk onto my boat, surely. Hey, I'm over here. Get wrecked. Next. This is a mini Jeep. I love these Jeeps. This has got the turning circle of, like, not much. I gotta find out. I've been avoiding this laser. Didn't actually hurt me. I just kind of figured, you know, because it cuts through, you know, steel and shit. I just thought for some reason that it would hurt. Hey, look, a laser. Oh, that's bad news. I want to say that's less than cool. Uh-oh. This is... Oh, leaf logos. Not good. Badly, it could be said. Hello? Ah, the stairs. Oh my god. Stop moving at like the last second. Honestly. Ah.
Bruh.
So I wonder if those are explosive. They appear to be explosive. This place has been wrecked. I don't know what's happened. What is that hitting? There happens to be one here. That's nuts. Also very helpful. Parkour. Parkour. I tell you, that's not far from where I wanted it. There it is. This one has guns. Yeah. Where'd he go? Oh jeez. It's your boy. Okay. I got everything I can. Let's go. That's not what I wanted. I wanted. Hang on. Let's. Sorry. Can I just? Yeah, sad. But it wasn't a Wonderland before I flooded it, of course. We'll find out. Put out the fire because I'm not a madman. Since I know this one's just not actually necessary, it would appear like this one kind of holds that. Sorry, is it legitimately this little... Yes, it is. Get rid of that. It's still trying.
Bruh.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah, the problem is... So if I then... I ain't dumb. Wait. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Bruh.
Again! Put this down softly. back down. At full extension. That'll be a fire extinguisher. Probably won't cut anything. I think this one can actually stay upright. There's a very good chance that that is only held up by one of these things at any given time, right? Okay. Yes! That's a strong tree. Bro. My theory is very simple. Take off the swan. Katya! An exact same thing. Can I? Oh, you want to know what I'm doing here? There's only got one more to do. That's a tough one. I don't think it is. Oh, yes.